Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Muzen portable speaker that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm so surprised about how tiny this thing is, yet how mighty it is. It has an excellent audio quality, and I'm not joking. I'm not trying to for you to get this product. This is my honest thought about this beast over here. It is so tiny. Take a look at this. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, and I'm going to play some audio from my phone because it's really easy to pair with your phone or your tablet or any other device. But take a look at how tiny it is. Just compare the size with my face. Yet it has an amazing sound quality. I'm not joking. The other good thing I like about this one, besides that it's rechargeable with USB-C and it has some really good features, is the packaging. It comes with this really cool bag over here, so you can actually give this as a really nice gift. And also this packaging over here, this box over here, which tells you that this thing is also, I want to say, almost indestructible. You can't kind of like destroy this thing over here. It is so well rugged, so packed, and so resistant, made of this really strong metal over here. It is so cool. Let me actually show it to you in a close-up, and then we're gonna play some audio of my own voice in this portable speaker because I can't put music just because, you know, the audio is gonna be muted otherwise. So one more time, just take a look at the package over here. It could be the perfect gift for the outdoor people. But then take a closer look at this. You're going to see some pretty hefty things over here. Take a look at the quality of this. Take a look at the back. It is indestructible. I have to say that it is indestructible. Take a look at the size of these things. And then right here, you have this section. You can actually clip one of those clips over here and clip it to your backpack, for example. You have the volume knob over here, which is super nice. You have the controls over here for like skipping the songs or going to the next song. And this right here is going to be, number one, a flashlight, and number two, your on and off button with the Bluetooth connectivity. And you have the flashlight over here. Let me see if you can actually see it a little bit. So of course it's not super dark, so you're not gonna be able to see a ton of it, but then you have some modes like dimming the light and also an SOS sign. So I think that's actually really cool. And then short press, you just turn it off and you're all set. Let's hear some sound right now. This is a recording with my own voice to test the Muzen portable speaker. It has a really good audio quality. I can't put any music, of course, because the sound is gonna be muted, but I do like it. I think it's really good, super powerful, tiny but mighty. Still super impressed about how tiny but how powerful this portable speaker is. Thank you for everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.